Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede, coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by Stevie's solo career. Stand Back. Alright. In standard tuning. And we only got 4 chords. We got G major. Song starts in G major, but it's actually in B minor. So 1, 2, 3. A9. 1, 2. Leave the B string open. B minor. You don't have to play bar chord B minor. Let's grab 2, 4, 4, 3. And if you're a beginner, you can do this cheat B minor. Doesn't quite sound the same, but it's still a B minor. That's 2A and 2G. So it goes G major, A major, B minor, G. That's 4 times around. For the chorus, same chords. G, A to B, just switch faster, and you don't go back to the G. G, it stays on the B minor. So stand back, stand back. Alright. And then end of chorus. G to A, 1, 2, 3. Verse always goes back to G and starts on D. 4 times. That's all the chords, and basically the form: verse, chorus, and then it's breakdown. That little riff I just played, and that's over the verse chorus. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So on the studio album, this is very synth heavy, and I guess it's Prince playing the keys, and some people say that he was part of writing it, or she wrote a song that was kind of like his tunes. And anyway, he's on the keys for this, and it's very like go. But it works on acoustic guitar. If you listen to the live version, it's very it's more guitars driven. Some like the later stuff, not in the 80s, but in the later stuff. It's you hear a lot of guitars by what it will tell. Okay, guys, so that's it. Stand back, 4 chords. See you tomorrow. Be safe and take care.